So I did something crazy with my hair. I went to Target and got some box dye because there's no beauty stores open. And I like Garnier. They actually had a really nice set with powdered bleach, toner, and developer all in the box. So you kind of know what's going in your hair. I did sections. I've watched a lot of Brad Mondo videos on bleaching your hair. Did it in 20 minutes. The only thing is I should have bought 3 boxes of dye instead of 2. I had a little more hair than I thought I did. Believe it or not, this is the outcome I was hoping for, minus the cheetah scalp. So this is my final look. I was inspired by Lupita Nyong'o in Black Panther, like this one right here. I don't have it as small as she does because I don't have the patience, but I'm digging it. I'm vibing, and I can't go outside, so it doesn't matter if you hate it. In a few months, I can go a step lighter. So this is just so I don't damage my hair with this process. And yeah, for now. Thanks so much for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe. I don't know what kind of video I'm making next, but please join me on the journey.